Hello and welcome. I'm Ramesh Sharma. In this video, you're going to find a web page developed based on XAMPP server. To start XAMPP, in Ubuntu, open terminal and type sudo space slash opt slash lamp space start and enter your root password. To check whether XAMPP server is active or not, open Mozilla Firefox and go to localhost slash phpMyAdmin, and you can view the database and tables which is available. As you are able to see towards the left hand side, I have created a database named Rane TRW users. If you click it, you can check the second option called Rane TRW users, and this is a table where the available data are Rohan, Jenny and Ramesh, and the corresponding details, their contact ID, password, email ID, register number, and the type of user, normal user or administrator is also given there. Now, if you navigate towards a folder, there's a folder called sample.html. This is the start page of my web page. So as my web page contains a tab called sign up or login, if you click on that, you will get a sign up window. If the user is already a sign up the user, or he has an account in it, then he can log in it. So actually the specialty in sign up form is, without entering any details in the form, if you try to submit it, you'll be alerted and it'll be prompted saying like you won't be able to proceed further. So for the example purpose, I'm going to give a sample name called Jack, and the register number is like 3456, and mail ID actually have given command. I have written code to check the mail validation. So I'm going to demonstrate it, showing like Jack at Gmail, and then I give the mobile numbers 123456 789, and a sample mobile number, and a password Jack123, repassword Jack123. After submitting it, the connection is connected, but I get a prompt saying invalid email format. So I have to navigate back and then I'm going to fill it like jack@gmail.com. using the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 and 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0, as these numbers are not available. So I give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and then it's alerting me it's a wrong number, and 9876 is alerting me as a wrong number. So I give my own number saying 860005843. So password is jack123 and repassword jack123. I'm logged in. I'm my database is my details are updated in database, and I'm logged out. Now I'm going to log in, saying like click on login tab. Yeah, login tab also follows the same procedure. If I didn't submit any, enter any details and try to log in, and it alerts me saying I haven't entered any details. So my mail ID goes like jack at mail ID is similar to like jack at gmail.com, and jack at gmail.com, and my password jack123. So when a users log in inside, a JSON file is dynamically created with the data is inside the database, MySQL database. Now the username, the you can see the user's dashboard here with username, register number, mail ID, and mobile number. Furthermore, details can be added according to the need. It's just a sample. Now you can see the JSON file which has been created. Now if you view the JSON file, like at the last of the JSON file, there's a name called Jack and register number 3456, contact, and so on has been updated. Now I have also I have also given a facility for the user to update his contact number. So the contact number 860005843 can be updated by the users, and I'm going to show it live here. So the right pen options given there is edit thing. You can edit your number of the user, like it. I have changed my number, and contact has been updated. I am giving a prompt. I have used Ajax for it, so that the page doesn't get refreshed uh, more time. And if you want to check the database, I'm refreshing the database, and you can see the number has got changed, and the previous website thing, like both the numbers are the same. Now, the one more special thing in it is logging out. If you log out of your account, then you won't be able to go back. As I have used session handling concept here, the user won't be able to trick us by logging out and logging in through it. So once the user has logged out, then he's out. He won't be able to go inside. This is a code for dashboard, and this is the code for sample.php. I'm redirected it, and then create. This is the code to create a JSON file, and this is the code which contains the functions which are involved in dash, sample, and JSON file. And this is the signup.php code. Here I have used header function to um, go and redirect the user to another PHP page, from one PHP page to another PHP page. I will like these are folders where I have used PHP files, and the user dashboard, the dashboard details, which contains like a JSON file, and then other Ajax, JSON, and CSS, Bootstrap folders and all. The main specialty in my the one more thing in my web page is like you'll be able to toggle the sidebar in it. So it is possible using the css which I use in my web page, css and javascript. So this is all about it. Thank you.